Today we'll continue with the revision sheet. We've reached yesterday question number 10, so today we will start with question 11. Muhammad, you demanded question 11. You wanted to answer question number 11.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Which question number 11? Which is another fraction that names four tenths? I'll try A. Okay, I'll try the scissors method. 5
Okay.
multiplied 4 equals 20, and 10 times 2 equals 20. So that's another fraction that names. So 2/5 is another fraction that names four tenths.
Okay, wait, just give me a second. So, my heroes, here we have many ways to solve questions like these. Muhammad wants to use the scissors, and it's okay. He will compare 4/10 with each fraction here. And when you find a fraction that is equal to 4/10, so this is the correct answer. That's what you are doing, right, Muhammad?
Yes.
Okay.
No. I'm trying. Yes, I'll try.
You said that you'll use the scissors, so you are comparing 10 times 2, you said 20, and 5 times 4 equals 20. That's why you said these two are equal. So this one is another fraction that names 4/10.
Maybe we'll find
We need to check the other because we need to check to make sure that we don't have any other correct choice. Okay, let's try. Let's do it.
Yeah. Okay. B 10 times multiplied by 4 equals 24. So it's greater.
Oh, greater? No.
Yeah, 4/10 is greater.
Oh, yes. So you mean less than. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, 10 times 4.
Okay, 10 times 4 equals 40, and 6 times 4 equals 24. So 46 is greater. I can also say it's greater because of the number of the parts.
Oh, great. This is good idea. We have here 4 and 4. So the bigger denominator gives a smaller fraction. Excellent. The number of parts is 10, so it's less.
Last one is D.
Okay. Okay, the last one, 10 times 9 equals, of course, 90, and 12 times 4.
10 times 9 equals 90, and 12 times 4 equals 48. So 12 is greater.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Okay, my heroes, before I leave this question, I want someone to tell me another way to solve this one. Another way to solve. Okay, Salman. By dividing, so we will take 4/10.
4/10 divided by 2/5.
Divided by what? By 2? Or
Yes, teacher, divide by 2.
okay. And we will get.
We're gonna get 2/5.
Excellent, Salman. Great work. Okay, my heroes, we have another way. You can take every fraction here and try to get 4/10 if you can. So if you take 2/5 and multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, you will get 4/10. So we have many ways to solve the question, and it's up to you to choose any of the ways to use. Okay, my heroes, any problems, any questions? Okay, let's move to the next question. Ahmed Wael. Go ahead, Ahmed. Labeled. Equivalent. Mm-hmm. Great. The first one is wrong because it's 1. In fact, Ahmed, I don't understand the question. Can you explain to your friends what do we need to find? What are we trying to do? Okay, so you will search here in the choices for the half, right? Equivalent to half. Great, that's good idea. You can do this, of course. Okay, Ahmed, go ahead. You said that the first one is wrong because it's 1/4 and 1/2. They are not equivalent, of course, without thinking. Because 1/2 is more. Okay, B, 4/8. You skipped B. So the answer is B. Okay, let's make this in another way. Why B is the correct one? Oh, so if you multiply or divide. Okay, if you divide by 4, you will get half. So this one is right, is correct answer. And you will check C. Right? That's what you are going to do. Check C and D, right? But Ahmed, let me tell you something. Let's think smart. We don't need to check C and we don't need to check D. Why? Because we have the same denominator. No. Because we have the same denominator. And if 1/2 equals 4/8, it's impossible to be 6/8 and also impossible to be any fraction with denominator 8. It should be 4/8, exactly 4/8. So we don't need to check others. Okay, I will solve this another way, and I want you to focus with me, Ahmed. Okay? There's someone speaking. Who's this? Now you enter. Now.
Any number you taught when you told us in the lessons before, you said 4/8 or 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2.
Yes.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Exactly. Yes.
3 plus 4 equals 8.
Yes. This is also another way. Okay. We'll do this now. Okay. Please, Muhammad, do not interrupt us. Let us finish first the question. Then, if you have any problems, or you want to add anything, it's okay. But do not interrupt us during the question. Okay, Muhammad? Okay, my hero Ahmed. Let's read the question one more time. We divided the number line into 8 equal parts. So each part is 8th. 1 over 8. Each part is 1 over 8. So we need to know how many. This is the question. How many eighths do you need to make a half? That's the question. So to answer this question also, you will go 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. Okay, or you can do it another way. Okay, by just searching for how many eighths equal to 1/2, and of course in this case you will tell me, Ahmed, that we will multiply the 2 by to get 8. 2 times what number gives 8? So we will multiply also the 1 by 4, it will be 4. So the correct choice is 4/8, whatever we have in the choices. It's the one that we should choose all the time, because I want exactly 1/2. Ahmed, I like your way to explain. Thank you, Ahmed. Great work. Okay, my heroes, the next question we will do the same. Let's see. Abdulrahman Anwar. Abdulrahman Anwar. Okay, in the next question, Abdulrahman, question 13. It's exactly the same like question 12. Go ahead. Go ahead, my hero. Read the question and explain it to us.
Okay.
Explain.
9 is divided into 6 equal parts. To show sixes, a point is
Labeled.
Name the
Labeled 1/2.
1/2.
Name the equivalent fraction for the labeled point. So what fraction is equivalent to 1/2? And it should be sixths. So if you have anything other than sixths, it will be wrong.
Yes.
So how many sixths equals 1/2? This is the question. Go ahead. Yes, multiply by 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3. Or simply you need the half of the 6, which is 3. It's also right. So in both cases the answer is 3 sectors. Okay, thank you, my hero. Let's move to the next question. Any problems, my heroes? If you don't have any problems, please do not use your mic. Ali Al-Qattan. Ali Al-Qattan. My heroes, there is someone using the mic. Please do not use your mics. Danielle. Danielle.
Yes, I am here, Mister.
Go ahead, my hero.
Which of the following fraction does not name the same point on the number 9?
Okay, so what can we do?
Number 9.
Mm-hmm. How can we do this? We need to find which one is not equal to all other fractions in these choices. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
the answer 2 sixes because
Mm-hmm.
one 2/3
One half.
equal to 2/3. 1/2 not equal to 2 sixes.
Okay, this is not equal to one half. Mm-hmm.
4/8 is the same, not equal to 2 sixes. And 6/12 cannot be not equal to 2 sixes.
Okay, or you can compare 4/8 to one half.
Yes.
So we took one half because it's the simplest form, the fraction that is using the smallest numbers for the numerator and denominator, and we will check if all of them are equal to one half. So 4/8 is equal to one half, and 6/12 is equal or not equal to one half?
Not equal.
Equal or not?
Equal.
Equal, because we can use scissors, of course, and we can divide by 6. We will get one half. Okay, so the correct choice is 3. Daniel, great work. I like how you solved the question. My heroes, any problems? Any questions?
I have a problem.
Yes, Muhammad.
It says which of the following fractions does not name the same untitled number line. How will I know which number line if all the denominators are different? Number line should have same denominator.
Okay, on the number line, equivalent fractions name the same point. So we need to find which one is not equivalent to the other fractions. So the odd one here, or the one that is not equal to the other 3, is 2 sectors.
Oh, so the rest of the answers are half,
Okay.
but C
Yes.
is
Yes. Yes, that's right.
not
Okay, Abdulaziz, what do you want?
Yes, Mr. Me, I have problem.
Okay, ask quickly. Oh, okay. Hussein, go ahead, Hussein. Question number 15. Hussein.
Yes, Mr. I am here.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Hussein.
What, Mr.?
Explain to us question number 15. Which fraction?
Which fact is the last?
No, least.
Yes.
Least. What is the meaning of least?
It's 1/2.
What is the meaning of this word least? Explain, my hero. Go ahead.
Least is small.
Yes, least means smallest. Okay, and you said that one half is the smallest. Why? Mm-hmm. Because 2 is smaller than 3, 10, and 8? Okay. But, what? My sound is lagging? Okay. My hero, you said that 2 is small. 1/2 is the smallest fraction because the denominator is the smallest denominator. Do you remember when we said before, the bigger denominator you have, the smaller fraction you get?
يعني مو شرط إن
No, speak English. Hussein, Hussein, Hussein. Use English. Do you remember that note?
yes.
Bigger, or let's write it greater denominators. Greater denominator gives smaller fractions. So if you want the smallest fraction, search for the smallest denominator or the greatest denominator.
Greatest.
So the correct choice is yes. Okay, thank you, Hussein. Great work.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, my heroes. Let's move to the next question. Muhammad Jawad.
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad, which fraction is greater than 3/4? Explain to us. Go ahead, my hero. Muhammad Jawad. Muhammad Jawad. Adam.
Yes, Mr.
Adam. Okay, Adam, go ahead. Oh, I think this may be a problem. I'll
I couldn't hear you well.
Okay, but now you can go ahead and solve it, right? Question 16, Adam.
Which fraction is greater than 3 out of 4? We'll compare the numbers with 3 out of 4.
Okay,
See which one.
so I will write 3/4 next to each one. Then we will compare. Okay, go ahead.
4 times 5 equals 20. 8 times 3 equals 24. 3 out of 4 is greater.
So we should use less than, right?
That's wrong.
Okay, but we need greater than, so this one is wrong. Let's check the next one. Go ahead.
4 times 10 equals 14. 12 times 3, 36. 36.
Yes, so this one is 10/12 is greater or less than 3/4?
1040 is greater than 36. So 1012 is greater.
That's what we want, right? So this one is right. Okay, let's check the next to make sure, just to make sure that we don't have any correct any other correct choice. 4 multiplied by 7.
4 multiplied by 28. 16 times 3.
6 times 3 is 18. 8 and carry up 1. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1, 4. So multiply 6 by 3 first, then 1 by 3. So this is less than. So it's wrong. The last one. 4 times 10.
4 times 10.
And
equals
3
40.
times.
20 times 3 equals 60.
So this one also is less than. So which one is the only correct choice here?
B.
Thank you, Adam. Great work. Muhammad, are you here? Muhammad, you answered me one time and you didn't continue. You didn't solve. Muhammad? Muhammad Jawad. Muhammad Jawad. Okay, Muhammad, if you have any problems, please try to solve it and come back. Saleh? Go ahead. Mm-hmm.
620.
This one is greater than 1/4. Okay, can you explain how we can? Okay, explain.
If we have 20, see,
Mm-hmm.
we will take
Mm.
6 from 8.
Mm-hmm.
And 4.
Mm. I can't.
Have 4.
Oh, I understand what you mean. You mean that you will make 1/4 with denominator 20. That's what you are doing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you multiplied by
5.
and you will also multiply the 1 by the same number. It will be 5/20. That's why you say that 6/20 is greater. Okay, I like this idea. Great work. But in this case, you need also to check the other choices. For the first one, we know that 1/4 is equal to 2/8. So this one is not greater than 2/8. And we know that 1/4 is equal to how many 12ths? Continue with me, my hero. We will multiply the 4 by what number to get 3? Sorry, by I said by 3. Okay, we will multiply by 3. So multiply the 1 also by 3. It will be 3/12. So this one is not greater than 3/12. And for the last one, we need the denominator to be 16. So you multiply the 4 by what number to get 16? So we will multiply by 4. And 1 times 4 equals 4. And 3/16 is not greater than 4/16. I like how you solve it. Thank you, my hero. Great work. So, my heroes, note that questions 16 and 17, they are the same. And you can use any of the two ways to find the correct choice. Any problems? So you have two ways to find a fraction greater than 1/4. You can compare every fraction to every choice to the given fraction, or you can just make them with the same denominator, like denominators. Okay. Any problems? Okay, my heroes, let's continue with the next question. Abdulaziz Sami Al-Abbad. Abdulaziz Al-Abbad. Abdulaziz Al-Abbad. قرار بصبيح. قرار.
Here.
Okay, قرار, go ahead.
On the equal section of the screen, 5 eighths are shaded and 1/8 12. What fraction of the section on the spinner are either shaded or tripped?
What should we do?
Glass, and if we don't find it, we should multiply.
I heard that you said we need to add them. And when you get the fraction, if we don't find it, oh, you mean equivalent fraction. Okay, let's first find the sum. 5/8 plus 1/8 equals
5/8 plus 1/8 equals 6/8.
okay, and now yes, continue.
And now if you find it, we multiply it. We can do
You mean simplify?
6
Uh,
by 2 equals 3.
oh, you mean divide, not multiply. You mean divide.
Divide.
Okay.
Yes, divide, and then equal 3 to 4. So the answer 3/4.
Okay, so if we multiply, if we divide by 2, we will get 3/4 in the simplest form. Karar, you are a star. Thank you, my hero. Good work. My heroes, any questions? Any problems? So we get the answer 6/8, but we don't have this choice. That's why we will find equivalent fraction. Yes, Ali?
Teacher, I'm Muhammad Saleh.
Yes?
You said my name.
Oh, no, Ali, I didn't. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next question. Abdullah Al-Otebi.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
At work, Lily spent 3/8 of his times at computer and 1/8 of his time on the
Telephone.
telephone. What fraction of his time at work does Lily spend on the computer and the telephone?
So we need both of them together, right?
Right.
Okay, what should we do?
We have for like it's not white, like black.
The shaded, you mean? You will count the shaded.
Yes.
Okay, and it is
4.
for what? of the same type of the same it's eighths, all of them they are eighths.
Yes.
So 4 eighths. Okay, so what you say is that we need to add the two numbers and the sum is 4 eighths. Okay, I cannot see 4 eighths in the choices.
It is equal 16.
Yeah, 4 sixteenths. You need to find equivalent fraction, my hero. So
Okay.
if you try to get 16 down, you should multiply the 4 by 2, but this is wrong. You will get 8 over 16. So what about checking if we can divide? Can you divide 4 and 8 by the same number? Divide by. Okay, divide by.
What?
Of course you can divide by 2, right?
Right.
And you can divide also by 4.
Yes.
Okay, in this case choose the bigger so you can do it in one step. Okay, let's try dividing by 4. 4 divided 4.
4 divided 4 equal 1.
And in the denominator 8 divided 4.
8 divided 4. 3.
No,
2.
2. So the correct choice
C.
is 1/2. Okay, thank you, my hero. My heroes, any questions? Any problems? Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow and goodbye. Goodbye, my heroes. See you tomorrow.